Here we go again. Got the 2000, looks to be 18 or so. 19, it'll have a different radio, so it's gonna be 18. Because it's a 17 or 18 because of the motor. But yeah, it's a pretty nice bike, you know. We did some little extra stuff that the man saw that I was doing and said, "Hey Rob, put me on." So we put him on. You know, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm only one person with one hand, so yeah. So that's what we ended up doing there. We just got to mount a few things down and we'll be straight. Underneath the seat game is straight. You know, real simple hook up there. We got a Pioneer Media Center up in here. So, which gives you Apple CarPlay and things of that nature. So, let's let it play.
Kick, stick, snare.
He said, "Walk back a little bit, Rob."
It doesn't matter what time of the day.
That's right.
Ask me what I'm thinking, and it's you that I'm gonna say.
We give it a few houses.
24/7, 52, 365.
So I figure he good with that, you know.
Just wanted you to know how you stay on my mind.
It's about 8:05. Curfew about to kick in. When they talking about, 8:30 gotta be in the house. It's all good. But yeah, I think this is good enough. Let them know Money's Car Stereo is in the building. Especially if you're playing something that's user friendly. He said he might go 2.0. I don't know. We'll see. But I think this is pretty good.
And I don't wanna let go. Just keep on holding on. Oh, you got me going. Thoughts of me and you. And I can't help but talk about all the sexy things you do.
Once again, if you like what you hear, click like, tell a friend. Money's Car Stereo, come one, come all. No discrimination, no pressure. Just let's function. That's all I want to say. Money's Car Stereo, we out of here.